How to use Allianz Disability Insurance Switzerland properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Allianz Disability Insurance in Switzerland is designed to replace your income if illness or injury prevents you from working. Yet many policyholders make mistakes that can reduce coverage or risk claim denial. Most people get this wrong because they assume all disabilities are automatically covered, and the surprising truth is they are not. A major mistake is misunderstanding the definition of disability. Allianz offers policies covering either your own occupation or any occupation. Choosing the wrong type can leave you underprotected if your condition affects only your current role. Ignoring the waiting period is another common error. This is the period before benefits begin. Longer waiting periods lower premiums but leave you financially exposed. Shorter periods cost more but provide faster support. Aligning this with your savings and monthly expenses is crucial. Underestimating the benefit amount is another trap. Coverage should reflect your income, living costs, and financial obligations. Selecting too low a benefit may save money upfront, but could leave you vulnerable during serious illness or injury. Skipping optional riders is another mistake. Allianz offers riders such as partial disability coverage, cost of living adjustments, and future increase options. Foregoing these reduces flexibility and long-term protection. Finally, providing incomplete or inaccurate medical or occupational information can jeopardize your claim. Allianz requires full transparency during application and claims. Misreporting or omitting details may delay or deny benefits. By avoiding these mistakes, Allianz Disability Insurance Switzerland can provide reliable income protection. Understand your policy's definition of disability, choose the right waiting period, set adequate benefits, consider optional riders, and always provide accurate information to safeguard your financial future.